So guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to post and have plenty view. This my channel is less than 1 month, yes, and look at the views that I'm having. Look at my subscribers. There are ways to post that you will gain, that YouTube will push your, will push your video to more audience. You don't post with your Facebook, abi, don't post with your YouTube channel, don't post with this YouTube channel. Yes, don't post with it. There are ways that you can post. There's what we call YouTube dashboard. Yes, and I'll be teaching you how you will use your phone to do it. Now come, let me show you. So guys, first of all, go to your browser, type in YouTube dashboard, the way I'm doing it now. YouTube dashboard. Now click on it. Click on the first one. You can see YouTube dashboard. Click on it. Now, guys, I'm using my phone, so this is it. So guys, you can see that place that there is create. Click on it, then click on this arrow facing up. You can see photo library. Take and choose a file. If your video is already in your file, then you click on the file. My video is not on the file. I just want to use this shot as an example. This is the shot I created yesterday. So this is it. If your video is already on the file, the name will pop out on this the title. Yes, the name will pop up immediately you upload the video, but right now the name is not here. I want to change it. I want to put the name. So see what I'm putting. Okay, you go to your description and type what you want. So yeah, this is it. It will be loading. This is the description. Put in your description. Okay, that is it. Then you scroll down. If it is a long video right now, it will show you the option on this thumbnail, but this is not a long video, it's just a short video. And you check in your playlist, where do you want the video to be. Now you come to this age restriction. Is it made for kids or not? This is not made for kids, so I click it. Then you click on this, you tap on this more. Yes, you scroll down. So guys, all this feature I will still teach about it one after the other, but let's go straight. You can see, look at this place that is published to subscribers. Then you come to these category. This, I put it on how to and style because I posted teaching, but right now this is comedy or entertainment. The short video is comedy or entertainment, either the two. So guys, look at this arrow down. It is uploading. It's already in 9%. This is it. Now you click on next. Let's click on next. We still come back to check if it has finished uploading. That uploading is to check whether it has restriction or not. Now click on this add to add a video that you want it to play after the video that you just posted. The video that you want to play after the video that is the essence of this ad. Then you add. If it is long video, the one under it, you still click on it. And this is a short video. I'm just using this as an example. The next time I will use the long video. Now this is check. Guys, you can see what is written on this check, but it's still uploading. This is where you will know if it has any restriction or not, but it's still uploading. You will still come back to it. So guys, read this. You can see what is written there. Yes, it's for you to know if it has any restriction or not, in order for you to fix it before posting. This is where you will know. This is why it is good to use dashboard. All this feature, the other YouTube app does not have it. This is why it is good to use YouTube dashboard. So guys, you can see. Now let's click on next. We'll still come back to check it. This is the visibility. Do you want it to be on private? I like putting my videos on private, then later change it to public. So do you want it to be on private? Do you want it to be on list or public? I put mine on private. You can see. But before we save, let's go back to the check. You can see guys, is still uploading. You can see this is it underneath the, you can see it is done. You can see there's no issue. Now you can post. You can see no issue found. You can see the video is safe to publish. Now you can click on save. So you click on save to save your file. This is it, is saved. Now let's go and check our YouTube app, if it is there or not. So you click on your videos. You can see guys, this is it. You stay on private. You can see. So this is how you have more view. Thank you.